Good afternoon, Michael. One of the most favored questions from our clients about our partnership is, why did you choose La Française?
Yeah, I think that's a great question. And just to be very clear, we were really impressed by, one, the reputation of La Française, their skill set as an asset manager. And I think one of the things that's really impressive to our franchise as we go into this partnership, this very unique and singular partnership, is the well-crafted entrepreneurialism that has been demonstrated by this firm. This is the kind of firm that any corporation like S&P Capital IQ feels good about partnering up with. So I think that, at a top level are the things that really drove our serious interest in moving to the point where we are now.
Thank you. I think on our side, what has impressed us during the discussion we are doing almost 6 months now, it's I think the flexibility of such a big organization as you are, and that's something we were not expecting from a U.S. big organization.
Well, I think it's really interesting because I think we were reflecting the kind of flexibility that you provided. I think we took a lot of our cues from you. We're learning a lot, as we get more and more into the advisory space. One of the things I think is really mission critical about what we're doing here is our risk to price methodology was a very, very big endeavor for the franchise. And this is, in fact, the first time we're going out with a partner, and that partner is enabling risk to price to really hit its full potential, to really help make the markets more efficient and help identify mispricing and real alpha generating opportunities for customers. And we're just excited about that. And we feel like, that capability in the hands of La Française is just a recipe for success. So I think we're learning. I think it's when you have two. My view is we're learning from you. So maybe what you saw is us understanding, how to be a little bit more flexible. We're getting smarter all the time, and we'll get smarter as we work with, smart companies like yourself.
Okay, thanks. And I'm sure that with, such a common understanding of a goal, I'm sure it will be a success.
Oh yeah, I don't think it's an if; it's a matter of when, and I think it's sooner than later.
Good.
Yeah, Patrick. I think we're excited about La Française expanding beyond its traditional borders, and are a very enthusiastic partner in that endeavor. How did you get there? What's the narrative that it really tells the story of getting to the point where you're now ready to almost effectively you become a real sizable international contributor to asset management?
I think to some extent, when you are deep roots in France, you at one stage you need to go outside of your natural frontier, and that has been always part of our plan, and our product is such an opportunity to make it happen that we are very excited about it, but we are going to push very hard and are working very hard to make it a success outside of France as well.
That's excellent. Well, we look forward to being there shoulder to shoulder with you folks. I think with, our international brand recognition and capabilities, coupled with your capabilities within the asset management community, I think we're bringing an offering to investors that is first class, and I believe that investors will recognize it as such. I think, and the other thing, I think even though these are, interesting times with regards to the financial markets, I can't see a better time to be launching a fund that's based upon making really smart, risk-adjusted decisions with regards to corporate debentures.
Yeah, I think that's probably the most important part. I think the product is really to the point to what the client needs today.
That's right. And I think we between the two parties, two teams here, well, two parties that came together as a team. I think we're going to do a great job in being very granular and very able to tactically identify, those issues that the fund should have exposure to, and generate the kind of superior risk-adjusted returns that investors really will need in a really challenging environment. I think a lot of it's going to be predicated on the fact that we have the fundamentals covered, we have the research covered. I think we have the team. Two parties come together, have a really circumspect view on the global macroeconomic environment. I hope you agree with that.
Yeah, I fully agree with that. And I think one last part what I would like to say to you is we thank you for the confidence that you are putting on our shoulders to be a partner from such a big and impressive company like Standard & Poor's Capital IQ.
Well, it's a pleasure to have the opportunity.